Restore IDFC First Bank Internet Banking Username. Account holders of IDFC First Bank may now access their accounts online even on the go. To get the most of IDFC First Bank net banking, you must first activate it. Fortunately, it won't take long to create your login and password. Customers of IDFC First Bank may do practically all financial transactions online without having to physically visit the bank. Also, online banking offers various advantages to the consumer. To utilize online or mobile banking, the user needs have their user ID and password. If you have lost your login ID, IDFC First Bank offers a simple way to restore it.